Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to your bank account the correct way. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that the Metatrader 5 does not hold your money. Your funds are stored with the broker you use inside the MT5. So, withdrawals are done through your broker's website, not directly inside the MT5 app. Launch the MT5 and log into your trading account. Make sure that you've closed any open trades if you want to withdraw your available balance. Here, tap on your account number at the top and you'll see the broker or server name. And remember this, you'll need it. Here you can open your browser and log into your broker's official client portal and go with the withdrawal section. Once logged in, find the withdrawal funds or payments in the dashboard. And you can select the bank transfer or online banking as your withdrawal method. Just enter your withdrawal amount, your bank details, and required verification information. And after confirming the withdrawal, submit the request. And process time depends on the broker, usually 1 to 5 days. Most brokers require you to withdraw using the same method you used to deposit, especially for security reasons. And that's it. That's the correct way to save money from MT5 trading account to your bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.